Welcome back. Continuing to work on INSGEN Magic Shack. Last time we did a lot of books. We did 121 through 128. And we did 1-3 to 1-9. A little smaller than the first books. And we did 2-7, 2-8, 2-6, and 2-9. And that's these little boxes of books. The other ones had wood inside them. These are just open and closed boxes of books. And we also did 132 and 133. This is 132 with an eyeball in it. These got cute. And we also did 2-10. This is holding a newspaper and a map and a manuscript. Got adorable. And today we're going to move on to 2-19, 2-17, 2-20, and 2-18. So we'll cut them out. I believe 2-19 accordion folds into 2-20, and 2-17 accordion folds into 2-18. Here's 2-17, and here's 2-18. That's the one book, and this is 2-19. That would be this top one, and 2-20 is the outside, and it shows music, and this shows flowers. So we'll cut those out. So here we have our books, pages, and our covers. Of course, the flowers go with the flower, and the music with the music cover. So I'm going to go ahead and put some folds in them. There we go. Well, I believe that's your treble clef. So we'll put that on the back, or else it's going to be upside down. And we want to start the fold that we can glue that to the page. There, that got cute. Let's go ahead and do the other one. There we have those two books. Those are really cute. Let's move on to some boxes here. 130 and 131. They are in this sheet, which I believe is 1-2. So that's these. We have this little oddball paper here. I'm going to cut it off with the number on it and lay that up here with our other stuff. And we're going to cut out 130 and Now we can put our folds in to make them easier to make. And that is box 131 and 130. And now we'll move on to this basket. Basket pieces 2-1. So let's cut those out. That is on 2-2 page, and here it is 2-1. So here's our pieces, and they're showing that this gets folded along this line here. Right in line with this notch. And it gets folded and glued to the inside. And that will make our round basket. And that little notch gets tucked inside. Okay, I don't even think we need to glue that, just this little notch part. Maybe a little out here. They're showing to fold the tabs down, and then it looks like they're putting it in this way, but I don't know why you'd want the bottom to be fancy, because looking here, this basket is on top of the fireplace, so I don't know why you'd want the bottom to be fancy. I would think you would want the top to be fancy. So, now this also, this is the handle. This has a solid line in it, so it needs to be folded in half. There, that got adorable. Set that to the side, and let's get our other pieces out. 1-38, that was one of the pieces we cut off. And then 1-24, that was actually one of the books we did earlier, 1-24. So that's our 1-24. Then we need J29, bag J. It is very small. It's very small. And I-1-19. And that is right here on 1-2. So first, they have us rolling this long ways. And now we put them all in this basket. That looks pretty cute. We'll set that to the side to dry. And we'll move on to another piece here. Okay, we need F10 and 1-12. So 1-12. 1-12 is here on page 1-2. 1-12, and we need F10 and F11. Yes. So F10 is right here, this little picture frame, and F11 is right below it. And there's that. We also have F12 with 110 on it, F08 with 113, and F09 goes on the back of F8. So let's get 110, 1-110, which is these flowers right here beside the Magic Shack sign. And 1-13, which is this butterfly. And also F12 and F08. Here's F08 and here's F12. And we also need F09, which is down here. Okay, today we did these two books, the music book and the flower book. That was 2/17/18 to 19/20. We did these two boxes, 130 and 131, a gray one and a brown one. And we did our basket using one of our books that we did earlier. And we did our basket using one of the books that we used earlier. It got really cute. I might have used a little too much glue in there, but it's not gonna fall out. And we did this tree picture, 112, F10, the little, with a little foot on the frame. And we did these two pictures here, 112 and 113. Well, thank you for coming. I hope you enjoyed this. Have a great day.